This is Sajan. Welcome to your guided meditation. Start by finding a comfortable place for yourself. Sit back, keeping the spine erect. Rest your back of the palm on your knees. Drop your shoulders down, let them be relaxed. Keep your neck in line with the spine. And invite your beautiful eyes to close, mind to settle, and body to relax. And just for a while, allow yourself to become a witness, to become an observer of your own mind. And put the spotlight of your own awareness within the space of your own mind. And start watching whatever the thoughts are entering into your mind right now. Making sure that you're not reacting towards any single particular thought. You are an observer, maintaining the distance between you and your thoughts. Just let the thoughts go. Observe them, acknowledge them without reacting. And just let them go away without clinging to it. In order to slow down your mind, this is really essential to observe it. To observe the pattern of your mind. Stay like this. You may even repeat in your mind, I want to observe my thoughts right now. As I want to calm myself down. As I want to remain peaceful, mindful on this moment. On this moment, where the life is. Relax your facial muscles. Keep maintaining a gentle smile on your face. And keep observing whatever is entering in your mind right now. Without any reaction. Now very slowly and gently, whatever is running in your mind right now, allow it to escape and bring your entire awareness onto your breathing and take 3 deep breaths in order to gain maximum amount of oxygen into your body. Inhale. And as you exhale, find yourself getting more and more relaxed. Exhale longer than usual. Stay present during your exhalation. Inhale deep. And exhale slow long. Relax yourself a bit more. Just release all the tensions out from your entire body. Inhale deep. And exhale as slow as possible for you. And release your breath. Set it absolutely free, the way it wants to be. But remain completely focused on your breathing. Keep watching your breath. Natural breathing, the free flow of your breath, the effortless breathing, the rise and fall of your belly with every incoming and outgoing breath. With the closed eyes, you may see the path of your breathing. Feel your breath. Feel the air moving in and going out without controlling it, without doing anything external. And as you're breathing naturally, effortlessly, just observe within your breath. Once the air moves in, you inhale. You fill your lungs completely with the breath, with the air. And as you completely fill your lungs with the air, just before you start to exhale, there is a slight pause. There is a gap where there is no breathing, where there is a stillness during your breath. Then you exhale, you throw all the air out, and as soon as your exhalation ends, and just before your next inhalation, there is again a gap, a pause, a slight pause, maybe for a second or a fraction of a second. There is a gap where there is no breathing actually. Try to shift your entire mind, your entire concentration, your awareness onto these 2 gaps of your breathing, where there is a stillness during your breath, where there is no movement within your breathing. You may find one point somewhere around your lower belly and the other one somewhere around your throat. Without making any external efforts, just try to figure out these 2 points, these 2 gaps of your breathing, and start focusing on these gaps. Your inhalation is simultaneous to life. Your exhalation is simultaneous to death. But during these gaps of your breathing, when there is no inhalation or exhalation, you are beyond the cycle of life and death. You are at absolute peace and stillness. Once you find these 2 gaps, once you start focusing on these 2 gaps, you will find yourself drifting away, far away from these attachments of this physical life, far away from all day running, far away from all the problems, worries, failures, anger and depression. As there is no life here, as there is no death here, this is absolute sheer stillness here only. Just focus on these two gaps. And as long as you're focusing on these two gaps, you will find them gradually increasing within your breath, effortlessly increasing within your breath. And the more these gaps are increasing in you, the more deeper you will be entering into the stillness, into the peace, the bliss, ecstasy, whatever you call it. Just remain seated and keep focusing on these gaps of your breathing effortlessly. Keep drifting away. Keep drifting away from the movement and go deeper into the stillness. The more you're focusing on these gaps between your breath, the more these gaps, the stillness is increasing in your breath. Lesser and lesser movement. Mind is being still. Your body is being still. Just remain focused and embrace this stillness, this peace and bliss. Stay like this for a while. And now very slowly and gently bring yourself out from this stillness. And consciously gain control over your breathing again. Make it deeper, a couple of deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in and breathe out slow and long. Start by shaking your hands, fingers, toes slowly in order to bring yourself back out of this stillness, out of this practice. Slowly start moving your neck, start rolling your neck clockwise, counterclockwise, and at the same time consciously keep on preparing your mind to come back to this physical world. But with a greater positivity, with a calm and composed attitude, and with a smile on your face. When you're ready, you may open your eyes. Thank you.